Do you have time? Do you have time? Who ate? Who ate? Then what? Then what? John got angry. John got angry. I have heard that. I have heard that. Leave me. Leave me. He is very sick. He is very sick. John snores. John snores. Snore মানে নাক ডাকা. Give me the sword. Give me the sword. I can read. I can read. You may speak. You may speak. Use this. Use this. Can you read? Can you read? I am bad at sports. I am bad at sports. I was coughing. I was coughing. Let me go. Let me go. That's my brother. That's my brother. No one knew it. No one knew it. He jumped. He jumped. This is new. This is new. I will get lonely. I will get lonely. John smiled. John smiled. Nothing changed. Nothing changed. Winter is coming. Winter is coming. John came inside. John came inside. We ate eggs. We ate eggs. I have a daughter. I have a daughter. Give it to him. Give it to him. John inhaled. John inhaled. It's just wrong. It's just wrong. It will be wonderful. It will be wonderful. What John? What John? What's happened? What's happened? Speak up. Speak up. That is mine. That is mine. He eats too fast. He eats too fast. Sit here. Sit here. I have evidence. I have evidence. Come again. Come again. Here is your bag. Here is your bag. Goodbye. Goodbye. I am eating here. I am eating here. Don't wait. Don't wait. Please stay here. Please stay here. He got angry. He got angry. How old is that? How old is that? I can run. I can run. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. He is yelling. He is yelling. You called. You called. Stop right here. Stop right here. Anything else? Anything else? How are you? How are you? John is homeless. John is homeless. Is that so? Is that so? I have time. I have time. I want that bag. I want that bag. John clapped. John clapped. I am in the house. I am in the house. John is coming. John is coming. What does it cost? What does it cost? We are doctors. We are doctors. I feel cold. I feel cold. Of course. Of course. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.